Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of hearing the same old jokes? Well, how about a refreshing change? Here's one for you. Why did the smartphone go to school? Because it wanted to be smart and appy. Rolling on the floor laughing. Speaking of being smart, have you heard about Mobitop mobile spares? If not, you're missing out, folks. Today is Wacky Wednesday, and we have a special announcement. Pre-order our top-of-the-line mobile spares now and say goodbye to tech troubles. From batteries to screens, we've got you covered. Don't let a cracked screen cramp your style or a dying battery zap your vibes. Get ahead of the game and be the tech trendsetter you were meant to be.
Now look at this.
So what are you waiting for? Dial 079-958-1405 or 070-521-5387 for pre-orders and inquiries today. Trust me, your gadgets will thank you later. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at www.mobitop.co.ke for a sneak peek at our fabulous range. It's time to level up your tech game, people. Let's get Mobitop mobile spares on speed dial literally. Winking face.